now our privilege to invite our Vice Principal, Mrs. Lucia Gupta.
Our radio partner 91.9 Friends FM and dear friends. On behalf of our principal, Mrs. Debjani Ghosh, the staff and the students of St. John's School, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to Myriad 2026, the annual concert as we come together to celebrate the talent Republic of China in Kolkata. Respected Mr. Ashish Kumar Giri, Director of EZCC, Minister of Culture, Government of India. Honorable Mrs. Tulsi Sena Roy, Honorable Mrs. Aratrika Bhattacharya, Honorable Mr. Rajesh Chimar, and Honorable Mr. and ex-chairman of HIDCO. Respected Professor Chiranjeev Bhattacharya, Vice Chancellor of Jadavpur University, he will be joining us shortly. Respected Dr. Swami Vedakanandaji Maharaj, President, Vivekananda Institute of Environment and Management. Respected Ms. Pia Chakraborty, Assistant Officer at the Council for Indian School Certificate Examination. Respected Mr. Terence Island, Principal St. James School, he will be joining us shortly as well. Respected Mr. Neville McNamara, ex-principal of St. Joseph School, Bawbazar. Respected Mr. John Babu, Principal Director of IEM Schools. Respected Mr. Sengupta from Salt Lake Point School. Reverend Sister Marina Rosario and Reverend Sister Bornita Nayak of Lavinia House. Respected Mr. Kohinoor Shen Borak, an artistic director, choreographer, teacher, and Bharatanatyam dancer. He's the founder of the Shinjon Dance Institute. Respected Professor Shoraja Tagore, Assistant Professor in the Department of English at the Bhavanapur Education Society College in Kolkata. She's also a recognized professional Bharatanatyam dancer and a descendant of the illustrious Tagore family. Respected Ms. Kathakuli Sharmishta Sarkar, professional anchor, RG, newsreader, and recitation artist. Respected Ms. Tina Koshal, Bengali rapper and folk singer. Your gracious presence truly elevates this occasion, and we are deeply grateful to each one of you for joining us today. At St. John's School, we take great pride in fostering academic excellence, critical thinking, and a genuine love for learning. Our students consistently achieve outstanding results at the ICSE and ISC examinations, reflecting their dedication and the guidance of our committed teachers. As we prepare students for the future, we have embraced innovation through our robotics and AI curriculum, encouraging creativity, problem solving, and adaptability. We also nurture a global outlook through the introduction of Mandarin as a third language and collaborations with international institutions, opening doors to opportunities worldwide. Beyond academics, we strongly believe in holistic development, whether in sports, the arts, or co-curricular activities. We ensure that every child is given the opportunity to discover and nurture their unique potential. In times when the world around us may feel uncertain, Myriad 2026 stands as a gentle reminder of what is up, from the serenity of Saraswati Vandana to the vibrance of global melodies, from the richness of Indian classical traditions to voices from across cultures. Our students come together to celebrate unity in diversity. Each performance is not just an act on stage, but a message that harmony is stronger than conflict, compassion is greater than division, and together we can choose peace. Today, we do not just perform, we stand as one with hope in our hearts and a shared belief in a kinder, more connected world. What makes this evening even more special is the remarkable performances our students have prepared in an incredibly short span of just 2 weeks. Their dedication, teamwork, and passion truly deserve our heartfelt appreciation. To our members of the media and our radio partner 95.9 Friends FM, thank you for being with us and helping us share the joy of this evening with a wider audience. To our dear behind the scenes have made this event possible. Your guidance and commitment are the foundation of every success we celebrate today. A special word of thanks to our student volunteers whose dedication and responsibilities have ensured the smooth conduct of this event. And to our performers, you are the heart of this evening. Your energy and talent will undoubtedly make this a memorable celebration. As
charm. This evening, we take you back to the golden era of Bengali music, a time of soulful melodies and timeless artistry. Through this presentation, we pay our heartfelt tribute to the legendary voices of Manna De, Shonu Mukhopadhyay, Geeta Dutt, Shyamala Mitra, Kishore Kumar, and Lata Mangeshkar, icons whose timeless songs continue to inspire, uplift, and remain etched in our memories.